Hi, this is Ashu Pandey. This is a prescription reminder project. In this project is mainly made for patient to remind the medicine at what time the medicine should take care. If the patient is not taking the medicine, then the message will automatically transfer to the concerned person, or you can say doctors. Now from here, one password system we given to the patient. From here we'll give the password. If password is correct, then only this will open, otherwise it will not open. Again, we can change the password. If patient wants, he can change the password. Now internally, this is the circuit. We just for general purpose, we are what we are doing, we are fixing the circuit inside that box. This is GSM SIM 900, one Arduino Mega board. This is power supply section and one relay just to on that switch. Now here in SIM 900 we put it SIM, and in the coding we given the number to whom we want to transfer the message. Now I am giving the power supply to the project. Here it is returning enter password. Now I am entering the password 123, my password, default password. What is happening? It is accepting the password. So like this, it will give the command to switch. That switch will open. Suppose if you want to change the password, we can change the password by pressing 9. Suppose our current password is 1234 and new password we want to give like 5432. We can change the password. Okay. Now our previous password was 1234. Now here we changed the password. Suppose I am giving the 1234 previous password, it is telling wrong password. If I will give 5432, it will accept the password. Now this is the password section. Here this is the medicine slots. This is for 6 slots we given for 6 kind of medicine or 6 duration. Suppose in coding I put it this for morning, this for afternoon, and this one for evening one. So when the time will come, so what will happen, one buzzer will start. Here one speaker I have given, so that speaker will start. That will remind the patient to take the medicine, and particular LED will blink. That will tell. Now see, this speaker is speaking, means what it is doing, it is telling the that what the patient like take the medicine from this slot. Suppose I have fixed some time. After some particular time delay, what will happen, if the patient will not take the medicine, one message will come. So we'll wait for some time because I have given some time delay. So after that particular time delay, one message will come. Wait. Actually I have given 40 seconds time delay, so that it is taking, that's why it is taking more time. So here I got one message. So what is this message? Patient didn't take medicine. So this message we can send number of peoples like patient, doctors. After this also what I did, for afternoon also I put it some less amount of delay. So in afternoon also it will, what it will do, it will blink the LED. Suppose patient wants to take the medicine, he will give the password 1234. That was wrong password, right? So what was our new password? 5432. So it will allow to open this. So that switch is connected internally. So if patient is taking like medicine, so one switch is here, I given one switch, so we'll press this switch. Okay, so what this switch meaning means, patient took the medicine. If I am pressing this switch means what will happen, then message will not transfer to the patient. Message will not transfer to the concerned person and doctor. That's it.